9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Class. Now today I will start exercise 1.1. Yesterday I just gave you introduction of the class. See, in question number 1 they have given us number line. 0 is in the middle. Towards the left we have negative integers. Toward the right we all have positive integers. We have marked differences and we have marked the places also. Now see, at 5 degrees Celsius we have Shimla, 14 degrees Celsius we have Ooty. Okay, we will discuss all these things in question number 1. We have in question number 1 what they are asking us to solve. Observe this number line, and write the temperature of the places marked on it. First, we will write places, what are the places they have given to us, and in front of them we will mark what are their respective temperatures. So first we will take Bengaluru. Bangalore, what is the temperature? This is 20, 21, 22. Okay, mark it carefully, write it. So I have written 22 degrees Celsius. Similarly, Ooty, it is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Likewise, I have mentioned the temperature. In the first part, you have to specify the temperature of the various places given in the question number 1. Second part is asking what is the temperature difference between hottest and the coldest place. Hottest place is that place where temperature is more or the maximum. That means our hottest place is Bengaluru and our coldest place is Lahul Spiti. So we have to find hottest minus coldest, that is 22. Difference, for difference we will use minus sign. What is the temperature of coldest place? Minus 8. Minus will give you plus. 22 plus 8 will give you 30 degrees Celsius. So this is the answer when you will find the difference between hottest and the coldest place. Third part of this question, they are asking what is the difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. We will take the temperature of Lahul Spiti. What is the temperature of Lahul Spiti? Minus 8 degrees Celsius. It doesn't matter that you are writing Lahul Spiti first or Srinagar. It doesn't matter. I have written Srinagar first. What is the temperature of Srinagar? Minus 2. Because I have to find difference, I have taken minus sign. What is the temperature of Lahul Spiti? That is minus 8. Put that inside the bracket. Minus will give you plus. Minus 2 plus 8 will give you 6 degrees Celsius. So this is the difference between these two places. Let's move to next part of it. Next part they are asking, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together taken is less than the temperature of at Shimla? That means we have to take together Srinagar and Shimla. What is the temperature of Srinagar? That is minus 2. We can take it from here. Shimla 5. What if we solve this part, what will we get? We will get 3. Is it less than Shimla's temperature? 5. Yes, it is very much less than Shimla's temperature. So we will write yes in this answer. I hope question number 1 is clear to everyone. Let's proceed. Let's move further. Question number 2. Question number 2. Positive marks are given for the correct answer. Negative marks are given for the incorrect answers. If Jack score in 5 successive rounds, Jack has taken 5 rounds and it is his score. In first round he got plus 25, minus 5, minus 10, plus 15, plus 10. If two numbers we have with a different sign, I have taught you earlier that same number with opposite sign we can cancel. Minus 10 plus 10. We have cancelled them. Next 25 minus 5, it became 20 plus 15. What is the final score of Jack? So final score of Jack is 35 marks. Question number 3. Question number 3 is at Srinagar temperature was minus 5 degree on Monday. What is the temperature of Srinagar on Monday? It is minus 5 degrees Celsius. On Tuesday it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. If it is dropped, I have taken minus sign. Minus sign means minus 5 degrees Celsius minus how much it dropped? By 2 degrees Celsius. So what is the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? It is minus 7 degrees Celsius. Next on Wednesday, the temperature rose up by 4 degrees Celsius. So Wednesday morning it was minus 7 degree. It rose up by 4 degrees Celsius. Minus 7 plus 4 will give you minus 3 degrees Celsius. This is the final temperature on Wednesday. This was question number 3. Question number 4. A plane is flying at a height of 5,000 meter above the sea level. If the plane is flying above the sea level, we will take plus sign. And next substance, next article material they have given submarine. Submarine is below sea level, so depth of sea submarine below sea level we have taken minus sign. Nice. We have to find vertical distance between the both. That means the aeroplane and the submarine. We have to find the vertical distance between them. 5000 minus this minus is for difference. Minus 1200 minus will give you plus. What will be your answer? 6200 meter. Okay. I hope till here you are clear with all the questions. Let me solve further parts of this exercise. Question number 5. If we have deposited money in a bank, for money deposited, I will write in short, money deposited in a bank. In a bank, if we are depositing money, we will take plus sign for that, for depositing money. If we are withdrawing money or withdrawal, or we can write yes, money withdrawal from the bank. Withdrawal from the bank. If we have withdrawal, we will take negative sign. How much we have withdrawal? We have withdrawal 1642. Money left in account. Money left in account. How much we had earlier? 2000, and we have taken 1642. You can write 2000 minus 1642. So how much is left in account? You are left with rupees 358. Question number 6. First, in this question we will make our directions. If we will take, here we have east, here we will have east, west, north and south. If I take positive for east, I have to take negative for west. If I have to take positive for north, I have to take negative for south. What is the question? Question says, Ritu goes to 20 km towards east. If she is going towards east, I will take, she is taking plus 20 km. Then from there, she has moved 30 km toward west. If she is moving towards west, I have to take which sign? Students, I have to take minus sign. So she has moved 30 km. We want to know her final position. We want to know her final position from the initial point. From initial point, her final position is 20 km minus 30. That means she is minus 10 km. Or we can write she is 10 km towards west. That means she is in west direction, and what is the distance? At 10 km she is towards the west. Why we have taken west? By seeing this sign. Okay, question number 7. There are two magic squares in this question. Sorry, two squares are there. We have to find out which one is magic square and which one is not. 5, minus 5, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 2 and 3. We have 4, minus 4, 7, minus 3. Here I have 4, minus 4, sorry, minus 6, minus 10, minus 3, 4, 0, minus 2 and minus 7. We have to see the total sum of rows or diagonals, rows, columns and diagonals. If I see this first one, see, I am checking the columns first. Plus 5 minus 5, 0. It will give you 0 answer. Plus 5 and minus 5 will be cancelled. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and plus 3 cancelled. Here also you will get 0. Minus 3, minus 4, minus 3, minus 7 plus 7 will give you 0. That means the sum of all the columns is 0. Now see the sum of rows. plus 5, it will become minus 5. Here also you will get 0. Here also you will get 0, and here also you will get 0. If I see the diagonals like this, diagonal minus 5 plus 5, the sum of this diagonal is 0. But see this diagonal, 0 minus 2 and minus 4 will give you minus 6. The sum is not equal in all the cases, so this is not your magic square. See the second part. If we see 1 minus 4 minus 6 will give you minus 10, plus 1 will give you minus 9. Here also you will get minus 9. Here also you will get minus 9. This side, if we see the rows sum, minus 9, minus 9, minus 9. If we see the sum of the columns, here also you will get minus 9 and minus 9. This is the perfect example of a magic square. So this is magic square. This is not, it is fulfilling all the condition except this minus 6. If we would have get minus 0 here, that means that would have been your perfect magic square, but it is not just because of this minus 6. But in this second part, all the sides, from the sum of all the rows, the sum of all the columns, the sum of the diagonals, you are getting minus 9. So this is the perfect magic square given in this question. So this is enough for the today's class. Remaining questions we will do in our next exercise. I hope you have understood.